Hi, in this video, we will discuss how you can use the data captured from unstructured documents in Astera ReportMiner. There are various ways of utilizing the extracted data, by writing it to a destination object or by exporting it in a data flow. You can write the extracted data to different destinations, such as an Excel workbook or delimited file or to a database table. These export options are available in the Data Export Settings tab of the report browser. For now, we will see how to write the data to an Excel workbook destination or how to export it in a data flow by using the report source object. In this case, we have already designed a report model which extracts data from a sample orders invoice. The extracted data contains information about the account, orders, and the item details. Go to the Data Export Settings tab in the report browser panel. On the top, you will see three options for three different destinations: Excel, CSV, or a database table destination. This is where you can create new export settings and write your data to a particular destination. Let's select the Create New Export Settings and Run to Excel icon, the first icon from the left. A configuration window will open. This is where you can define the properties of the export and the destination file. In the File Path text box, provide the path where you want to save your file. You can browse the local path by clicking on the folder icon. Provide an appropriate file name and click on Save. Alternatively, if you want to save your destination file to a cloud location and have a subscription for the Cloud Connector add-on, you can do so by clicking on the arrow next to the folder icon in the File Path text box. Next, there are multiple configuration options you can choose from to specify how and where you want to write your data. You can provide a worksheet number, or start address, or append to an existing file. You can also write selected records to your destination by using the rule for filtering data options. You can learn more about this feature by checking out the link in the description of this video. Click Next. This will take you to the Layout Builder. You can see the name and data type of the fields that will be written to the Excel destination. Click OK to begin the export. A Job Progress window will open, showing you the status of the currently running job. Here, you can see the details of the job, including the destination path. Click on this path to view the destination file. Once the export has been created, you can select the export in the Export Settings tab and preview it by clicking on the Preview Selected Export button. A data preview window will open, showing a preview of all the records that have been written to your Excel destination. Furthermore, you can also edit, run, or remove the selected export by using these options. For now, we will create a data flow and open this export by clicking on this icon. A data flow has opened, showing that the data has been written to a destination from a report source object, which contains the path of the source file and the report model. You can export your data to different destinations, such as a delimited file or a database table. The only difference will be the configuration settings, which are dependent on the destination type. For example, in a delimited file, you will have to specify the settings of the delimiter, and in a database table, you will have to provide a database connection. To learn more about these options, click on the link in the description. So, this was all about exporting the extracted data to a destination of our choice. Thank you for watching this video.